Hi everyone, the other day I was driving from home to work, and on the way to work I need to go to a grocery store, and I drive along and there's a white pickup truck right behind me, so I go behind the pickup truck and then this happened. And I have no idea what's going on with the truck, maybe something wrong with the truck, so I just go along and follow the truck. I thought everything was fine and nothing wrong, and all of a sudden it happened again like this. And my window was down and I don't want to smell all this smoke come out from the tailpipe. In my mind, what's wrong with this guy in front of me? Unfortunately, I drove the same direction he's driving, and this is the third time he blows smoke on me. After this right turn, he did again. It'll be the fifth time. Look. Another one here, the sixth time. What's wrong with this guy? Did I do something wrong or something? Hey, please leave a comment. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button. Thank you.